Hello viewers, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how to create new posts, edit posts and all other things related to posts. Let's start. If you want to create a new post, then you have to go on the left panel, post menu. So by default WordPress has given me a post like hello world. Here you can see by pressing it you can edit, quick edit, you can delete it and view it. This is the author name who has created these posts. In this case it's written Hitechclub 2000. This is the only user here. Categories uncategorized, tags, and how many comments are related to the post and when it was published. So if we want to create a new post, we can click here, add new, or we can click here as well. So this is the post dashboard where we can create our new posts. So if we want to create a new post, we have to give a title. Let's copy and paste here from somewhere else. I'm here copying from the Telegraph newspaper, being just for education. So this is the title I have inserted in the title box, and I'm just copying 2 paragraphs. So in WordPress, this is one block, this is the block, this is another block. So you can change here. If I add S, it can be easily edited. So let's see how can we edit the body. So there are options like heading, lists, quote, group reformatted, and verse. Let's see one by one. If I press the heading, then it will be shown as heading in bold and bigger font, and we can change as heading 2, heading 3, it will be smaller. So I'm changing it from heading. Then list, this will be shown as list here, and if we press enter, then if we try to write something, it will be shown in a list form. So if we don't want to show as a list, then we have to press enter button twice. It is similar to MS Word. The next one is quote. If we want to show the paragraph as a quote and written by someone else, then we can select this option, Hitechclub. This is the quote of Hitechclub. So it will be shown here like this one, so you can show in this way. So let's change it back to the paragraph. And next one is group. We can view our posts by pressing the preview button. Let's see what we have made so far. So this is the preview of the page, what we have made. This is the heading and this is the body of the paragraph. There are 2 different blocks. So if you select it all together, and you can make a group as a whole, you can work on this like this one. Then these 2 different blocks will work together as a group. The next is verse. If you select this one as a verse, and if you see the preview, then it will be shown like this, scrolling, and it will be scroll like this. There is alignment button. This is the left aligned, and if we select the center, then it will be center, and if we select on the right alignment, it will be shown as right aligned. Text box. This is similar to MS Word, pretty easy. If you can select this as a bold, italic, and this is the link button. Let's see how can we work on here. If we select a several or a single word, then press link, and if we write google.com, and if we select open in a new tab, submit. Let's see in the preview. So this is the link button. If we click on this one, a separate page will open. So this is the function of link button. The next one is inline code. Just select any words and then click on inline code. Let's see the preview. So in inline code it will be shown in a different color. Let's see the other things like inline image. So here it will be directed to the media folder, and you can upload any image from your PC, and then a image will be shown. So let's see how can we do this. Click on select a word, wildlife, then click inline image, select files. You have to import any image file. Let's see what I have. This is my logo. Okay, we can select this one. Let's select, we can preview it. So an image will be shown in your text. Then strike through. If you select any word, then if you press strike through, a strike through line will be shown in your text. Let's see the in preview. So you can see it's shown as strike through. And another thing is text color. If you select any word, then click text color. You can change color. If we select purple color, preview, it's showing as purple color. So these are the functions we can use when we write a post. You can also hide block settings. This is the block settings. Like you can hide this block, and also you can change the option show block settings. And you can also duplicate the blocks. If I press this one, and it is duplicated. And insert before. If you want to insert a new block, then you just press insert before, and it will be inserted before this block. So you can see that there is a block inserted before the previous block. And if you press insert after, then a new block is inserted after this block. And edit as HTML. If you know HTML tags, then you can edit here using HTML tags. So we'll discuss about HTML in later videos. So let's change it to edit visually. Okay, add to reusable blocks. You can reuse these blocks. So you can name, you can give a name like urban wildlife. So you can use this one, save. So you can use these blocks later on. Remove from reusable. So you can remove this one. These blocks is showing here, so you can remove this one. Okay. So you can see that this block has been deleted. So, and you can make groups. We have shown you a few minutes before how can you make a group. And remove block, you can remove block. So I'm removing this one. As you can see, the block has been removed. So that's all for today, and in my next video I'll show you these two options, documents and block. So bye for now. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you want to add anything, or if you have any suggestion, please comment below. Also comment if you appreciate anything. Thank you.